All right, so going over this last problem, what do I write for part A? P parentheses what? X is greater than 66.5. I now switch that to a what? So I'm doing 66.5 minus 64.5. Oops, and divided by 2.5, which gives me a z-score of what? 0.8, is that what you said? And I could rewrite this in terms of z. Will somebody grab that door for me really quick, please? Thank you. Then draw and shade it. Shade to the right. What is my area for a z of 0.80? And I want to do what with that? For an answer of now, when I get to part B, I now want to write this one as my probability that my what? That X bar is greater than 66.5. So now I have to do a little bit more math before I go straight into Z here. I have to find my mu of X bar, which is mu, which is what? So that part ends up staying the same. My standard deviation of X bar, I do sigma over square root n. My sigma was 2.5. My n is 10. And you said that one gives me 0.7 what? Since I usually do it as 4, what is it to 4? 6. Just trying to keep it consistent with what I usually do. Those are inches. So now I can find Z if I check my stuff first. This one, I need to check 10% condition to be able to use it. So capital N is greater than or equal to 10N. I'm plugging in 10 as my lowercase n. So I need at least 100 what? So they're at least 100. All it says is young women, so we should go with as specific as the problem. And the other thing that I need is what? I need to make sure I can use normal. So what would I need to write there? So it says that it's given that the population distribution and here it actually says is normal instead of approximation. So it's given that the population distribution is normal. So we can use normal approximation. So now we actually can go into finding Z now that we have all this stuff down here. So my equation now is 66.5 minus 64.5. This time it's going to be divided by 0.7906. And if you rounded to just 79 instead of 7906, your number's going to be a little bit different, which is fine. If I do 4 decimals, what do I get? If I did it as 0.7906, what do I get as my Z? So Z equals 2.53. So now I can draw it and shade it. That is on the right side. I'm shading above. When Z equals 2.53, my area is what? And again, I just so happened that I did all these the same way. I should do 1 minus, which gives me 0.00 what? which makes sense. It's less likely to get a mean that far away than it is to get just one individual that far away. Anytime you look at your green sheet is shaded to the left.
Oh,
So we have to do 1 minus there.